Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a banner for your organization. So what you'll want to do is navigate to the Banners tab here on the left on the navbar, and then you'll want to click on this new banner button. You'll want to give it a name. So I'm just going to call this one testing. I want this one to be active, and then I also want this banner to be a clickable link. So I'm just going to click this link. You'll highlight it, hit the link button, enter the full URL, click link, and then when you submit it, the link will appear at the top for all the users in your organization. And if they click it, they'll be taken to the URL, and they can also dismiss the banner. You'll notice in the Banners tab, you can edit this banner. So if you want to change what it says, you can do so. You'll notice it changes. And then these are reusable. So if you need to turn this off, you can, and it'll go away. So later, if you ever need to use this banner again, you can just come in and activate it, and it will show up. And that is it. If you have any questions, please reach out to the Ruby for Good team. Thank you.